What's the meaning of celebratory? Celebratory. Celebratory.
Celebratory. Celebratory. Celebratory is an adjective that refers to something related to celebrations or parties. It suggests a mood of joyfulness, enthusiasm, and festivity, often in the context of a significant event or achievement. A celebratory occasion typically involves food, drinks, decorations, music, and other forms of entertainment, as people come together to congratulate and honor a person or group. Whether it's a graduation, wedding, or championship victory, a celebratory atmosphere creates an uplifting and memorable experience that participants will cherish for a long time.